Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start with the basics of preparing canned fava beans. In this video, I will show you how to make canned fava beans. First, drain and rinse your canned fava beans under cold water for about 30 seconds. This removes excess sodium and any canning liquid. Next, gently peel off the outer skin from each bean. This step is optional but creates a more tender, less bitter result. Finally, pat them dry with a clean paper towel. Now, let's explore some quick and easy cooking methods. You can sauté your prepared fava beans in a pan with a tablespoon of olive oil and minced garlic for about 5 to 7 minutes, until they are heated through and slightly browned. Alternatively, roast them on a baking sheet at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes for a nutty flavor. Or, simmer them in a half cup of vegetable broth for 10 minutes. To elevate the flavor of your fava beans, consider adding fresh herbs. A quarter cup of chopped mint or parsley can provide a wonderful freshness. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice, about 1 teaspoon, will brighten the entire dish. For a deeper, warmer taste, try incorporating a half teaspoon of ground cumin or smoked paprika during cooking. These simple additions make a big difference. Finally, let's talk about how to enjoy your delicious fava beans. They make an excellent side dish, complementing grilled chicken or fish beautifully. You can also mash them with a fork, adding a tablespoon of olive oil and a pinch of salt to create a savory spread for bruschetta or crackers. Or, simply toss them into your favorite green salad for extra protein and a delightful texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.